All right, speaking of professional, I walk into Hustlers, unbutton my shirt, take my shirt out, just play. And then you look at a professional snooker match and they're wearing bow ties and neckties, right? What's happening there?
It's a very formal sport, You always have to look your best, you always have to look good, and it's totally different in pool. The difference between pool and snooker is like night and day, The pool is just like a fun sport, whereas snooker is very much a professional